Okay. So, I thought that I hadn't streamed today, but turns out I did. So, this one is called Creating the Book Feature 3.5. Um, yeah. Really, I just want to dive in and just go ahead and knock some of these out before I start um enabling the feature to do this. But yeah. Well, this ties in to enabling the creation of books because I think I've already kind of fleshed out this whole thing. So, yeah. Um the more that I look at this, the more I'm kind of um happy with the product. Um Not product, but the result of it. Um I feel as though this is inching more and more to be like a portfolio project, something to put on there. I don't. Then again, this stuff is all personal preference. Like, just my preference on styling things, and I'm not sure if other people would like the styling choices that I made, but I tried to make it as accessible as possible. This may be a little bit hard to read. I may go back and finish that out or make it a little bit more visible. But all in all, this needs to be fleshed out a little bit more. Um, Actually, a lot more. Um, Also, the ability to search and then it filters out over here. After I finish this book thing, I think that's kind of it. Like after that, no, well, as far as bare bone stuff, but then after that, um, fleshing out the whole profile system and then gamification. Like, and at that point, I might as well move on to the next project. But as of right now, I still like this product. Um, I don't know why I keep on saying product, but the result of everything that I've built so far, I really like it. So, without further ado, I might go ahead and dive into this code. I don't know how long this stream is going to be. I may continue streaming just on mute later on, but for right now, I'm going to be here talking, but I'm going to crank up some music and get a little vibe real quick, but I'll be here. So, yeah.
Focus steady and unbroken. I was resting on the low end. My prerequisite to going in. I chief recklessly with no end. I went heavy on the dosage. Try and comprehend me like my bro did. I reap everything I sowed in. It seemed effortless with no stitch. It's we steppers, bitch, you know this. Cream preps in a cold wind. Seen Skeppy out in Shortage. He said to telly for the hoes, keep them heifers off your doorstep. Geese feathers under foreheads. Temper-peated with the reaper, got the no depth. It wasn't easy, but we grown men. I really mean it like the song said. I gotta beat them like the locks. Got my demons on the wall press. 4 arms and feet on necks. I'm seeing green like I bought Tris. They in the red like forceps. We beat them like a cheesy joke, even when a freaking horse dead. Quiet on set.
The especially important part played by the Mondo or the ancestors as protectors of the land and bringers of the rains is also recognized in popular song.
Sing here.
Big grip, get flipped, hand over fist, that's quick. Snake oil salesman with the pitch, that's slick. Ain't no telling when it end. No matter the spin, I know when I gotta hit, that's it. That shit gets sent over the fence. I'm home, another run on the road, look how I slid. I remember the cold and shrugging till I was sore inside the crib. I don't know what it is. I remember the ghost inside the crib, hosing down a problem with gin and tonic. How to stay afloat in a bottomless pit. The trick is to stop falling. Only option to start with a step. Bet, son, father, and death. Big mama with the vision of sorrow. Now I know why they wept. I watched it brew into a quarrel. I knew just what to bet. Now we having like Dewey Cox out in the shed. I had to unify all the plurals and pairs. I promise you don't truly want no parts of this shit. A couple side splitters got me out of some jams. I had to style a little so the killers could laugh. Big grip, get flipped, hand over fist, that's quick. Snake oil salesman with the pitch. Ain't no telling when it end. No matter the spin, I know when I gotta hit. That's it. That shit gets sent over the fence. I'm home, another run on the road. Look how I slid. I remember the cold and shrugging till I was sore inside the crib. Now I know what it is.
You know, everybody has their different ways of what they use them for, but we'll let them explain that to you.
Peace when I'm rolling around. Try to keep me close, but look how when I needed you the most, you was out. The least I could do is account. Pizzeria, no big amount. Fire in the hole, burning out his soul like they seen a ghost in the shell. Froze up, it's colder than hell. I cleaned up most of myself. I peeled off more dollar bills for 'em when they peeled off on the bill. Started at the bottom of the hill. Actually, I started in the mid. Actually, I started in Illinois, coin, Swana and the kid. Blood stains on my fatherland. Blood stains on my motherland. Tuck clay, all of it's red. Stuck in the jeans and the fabric. In the 23 little strands. Freddie Hubbard sing through the axe. Chop another piece off the branch. Memories careen off the past. Home to a screech in they tracks. Had a couple things on my chest. That's where the demons were sit. I took a seat at the head. It's time to eat. I need to breach heavy set. Can't you dig what I'm saying? Notice that you easily led. So I took a seat at the head. It's time to eat.
You remember I'm feeling like Aubrey. They ain't bread nigga how it involved me. I was there when them smiles was soft. Know me acting surprised when you call me. But imagine I gave you my all. All my flaws and them bribes of adult you. I got tired of staying and talk. But you high and you say that you are. How you lie to me breaking my heart. How you ride you ain't stay in the car. I get high and pay for my art. So when I'm buying I'm breaking the car. Oh as I was breaking apart. I don't lie, you be playing your part. On that island of flame in the dark. It be silence that make the remarks. Keep it solid, don't change when it's dark. It be probably you lames in the guard. For a slide, you be waiting to starve. For pops, I'm taking in charge. Ain't no watching making it ours. I know my used to pray I ain't harder. Only sung in and say cause they smart.
Couldn't cope with the dope fiend shit, ho, that's a whole needle. So I can't promise that I won't leave you. I put my all in and I broke even. Prophet tried to told people, chuckle at the known evils. I stepped over when they rolled Tell the bros how laying low treat you. Petals of roses and broke treaties. Lit of the road I was on swinging. I couldn't hold shit with cold fingers. In other words, niggas don't feel you, really. Stay on my square like Sicilian slice. Power spread like Jiffy. It make perfect sense, you try and get her a bite. I snickered, I caught a whiff of sidewinder, slithering in the vine, and listen, it's hissing like spinning vinyl. This cylindrical system of life, vicious cycles. Mice give up when it's dinner time. The 6'9" style snitching spiteful. Mine the biggest, but I'm staying tight-lipped. In addition, I ain't switching sides. On some my niggas simplify shit. Do not tread on me. The living die with a smile, getting fly, watching water rising. Blood on the horizon. Blood spilling out the idol. They try and judge like Simon. I'm leaving on a note most highest. Drop the mic like Ryan. Told dog it's on the flow like Kybit. I'm flying. Heat check. Might hit an island if she need to get her feet. Heat check. Might head to Mob Town, I need a little reset. Heat check. Putting numbers on the board, fucking up the defense. Heat check. Heard she hooking out west like Kareem did. Heat check.
Real quick, the reason why I'm making these faces is because my cat is digging his nails into my thigh. So, pardon me, but I'm just letting him cook. So, yeah, sorry about that.
I recollect all the pain I had to Arthur Fresh. Waiting out in the waves, foot on a colonizer neck like a collar could tell them try and follow the trail. I cut off the coattails, they hanging on. I plot on how to prevail and drop gems like my collar. When I'm put on the spot, I don't bail. My mama always be there, taught me to dig. Found the flaws of my father when I lost some appeal. I know it's long and uphill. I started jogging on no Santiago, I was already win and water. Different novel, thicker lines of defense. The follow through was all in the wrist. We took it farther. I caught him stalling again. I'm feeling froggy. We might just have to hop him in and hop in a whip. Probably. I figured I'd be remiss to go at least without a glick round. Speak to Vince Bobby.
How many lives you take? How much time you face? How many times you draw your gun? Sometimes my mind draw blanks. How many nights you prayed? Still trying to find my faith. How's the gospel that Pentecostal you tried to talk through? Interrogation, no registration, the license sliding. Feel the vibration, got something to shake the pavement. Got the SKS for $500. I love my partner, buddy Chris Bosh. Cuz can't shoot when his hard, when the shit start. Who gon' take it far enough to hit the fan?
Alright, we'll be right.
Stack so many rounds, feel like the mission.
I'll be right back. Just give me a second. I'll be right back.
So what's my back to them? I hopped the straddle fence, smacking shit. Got my mama reading, asking shit. Fighting all my life, can't pray at night because the calluses. Skipping school to shoot it through his cat, be still a graduate. Sliding like an abacus, promises some math to this.
Don't even trip on like whether you gonna do a good job or a bad job or all that other shit, man. You just gotta be there, man. You just gotta pull up. You just gotta just be present, bro. Like fuck, like oh man, am I gonna fuck up? Da-da-da. So what? You just gotta be there, man. You gonna fuck up if you're not.
Yeah. Well, so you get chicken sandwich.
Could I get a chicken sandwich and a carne asada burrito?
Clean break, tougher to make. Ain't a thing that a king name rougher to main. Hold your head, cover your face, so disease doesn't spread. She said I got a son on the way. Made my bed so that lay my worry bones. My heavy head I carry home every day. My mama saying that I'll never be alone, even though she gotta know that I know she dismayed with the choices I made. The only way forward is unafraid and focused when I'm holding these reins. Yell thanks over my shoulder to my auntie Elaine. 27 braids falling over my face. My head on straight, my mama closing the gate. And both of them sleep better when they know that I ate. I'm going through changes that I couldn't fathom, but growing pains lead to understanding. I'm no passenger on the plane, precious cargo in the cabin. My whole take on baggage just ain't the same. Don't fall for the fake magic. They came with the David Blaine pattern, so we jab and weave. I'm trying to farm up some lavish green with the fam. Lavage bread, sharing everything with the team, spreading seeds, spilling drink for the dead. Godspeed, they took the lead, but I'm still ahead. I found a swing sitting in the sand, pushing.
My ancestors tried to open the door that separates us from our Creator.
But you need no doors to find God. If you believe.
Believe? If you believe, you are God.
It's almost time, man.
Led the charge and they couldn't take it. Kinda flagrant. Night bomb me, I'm on Collins and I'm palming paper. 740 big body driven by my lady. Swinging like down goes Frazier. I found patience and still couldn't sit around waiting. I'm saying it got kinda dangerous, abrasive, all kinda angels. Almighty arm length, I'ma spank 'em. Pause the tape. The angles I'm taking straight through. Gotta make it home, a baby that I gotta raise. Shaking off malaise and hate too. Maybe y'all'll change, maybe not. Either way too. Mason Margie replica steppers is gonna evade you when you hot. I stay cool, not up for appraisal on the block. That's what walking a plank do. Don't be shocked, I couldn't save you from your thoughts or what the fame do. From the sharks and what they fangs do, or from your heart and what that pain do. From the start, built a box I couldn't break through. You was lost. I picked apart what amazed you. It was soft. I shut it off. We really on. This the difference. 4th and inches and we going long. Shimmy when I score the ball. Hail Mary bells everywhere in a loft. Name ringing bells everywhere a nigga walk. I'm not trying to talk. Hailing up the maitre d' for the final course. Filling all the vacancies like the brightest star. Good God, good God, good God.
You tell them that we are stars? Yeah, Dad, my homeboys are superstars now. You know they got the hottest record on the streets? Sold out in 3 hours, my boy.
Give me a second, I'm reading something right now.
Rob Marciano told you it don't last. Get you a snap.
I said, give me a second. I'm reading something right now. Just, 60 seconds.
Shaking your sack down, don't get smacked out here trying to act wild. Running with wolves like Carl Towns, used to be on bullshit, bugged out. And the drink was dulling the sharp feeling. 6 feet underneath the sun, chilling, crispy. When everything turned tricky, miss me. I'm not gonna be your burned victim. I roll weed slow and I learn quickly. It's cyclical, that's for certain. The sickness, the type of motion bring. Windows open, I know this breeze. Lucifer, sun in the morning. I'll let you talk yourself to sleep. These niggas scared of morals. I just went pro for the Justice League. I love this team, I'm focused. Fuck police and the Rona only. Weed and Yoni. Shorty saved me the peace I wanted. Loose change rattling in my pocket. Threw it back to the block where I found it. Two faces, the seed in the swamp. Talk out the side of your mouth like Hardin. It's only gonna get niggas parked. It's only big fish in a pond. Jumping, no risk, no reward. No joke, serious as stars. It's the one I remember when I'm lost in my thoughts, thinking too hard. Been gone a few winters too long, but couldn't miss this one. Yeah. It's only big fish in a pond. Jumping, no risk, no reward. No joke, serious as stars. It's the one I remember when I'm lost in my thoughts, thinking too hard. Been gone a few winters too long, but couldn't miss this.
60 seconds is up. I'm back. Okay. So where I am right now in this is I'm trying to take everything that I had in edit note from the image upload and apply it to making a new book so that someone can make their own background image from the book or for the book from this modal. That should knock out the first one. But yeah, for right now, this whole look of this isn't really my top priority, but whenever I get all of these features done is when I'll start to make it pretty and stuff. But as of right now, making it look the best isn't my top priority right now. I'm trying to make it all functional. But thanks for sticking with me. If you're still rocking with me. I might dive back in, but in the meantime, I don't know why. I just want to change the music. Yeah, it's jazz time. Actually, wait a minute. No, it's not. I'm feeling this right now. Hold up. I'll be back in touch whenever something comes up. So yeah.
Gonna waka waka when you enter Malicha. Baby, gonna will you give me sugar? Wahala, Macho Mona Lisa, 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 Mona Lisa, I go sweep you off your feet. What up, what's up? She said, make some time for me, See for this, let me and you tap like hush for key.
The app is coming along. It's since you've been gone, I've kind of made some changes, made some strides. Thanks for tapping back in. But I've made, how can I explain this? I've made this book view. I've created this button. I made it both responsive on desktop and at really any window size, any device size, whatever. Made this little cascading thing, just like I had in the markup. It may not look the best, but I like it. I don't. I want to get people using it to give me feedback on what I should change, what I shouldn't change, what they like, what they don't like. But this kind of signifies it's also a book. If this didn't make it already clear, but this is an existing book, and it has these notes in it. And these notes, if you click on one of these, it goes to the note, and then you just come back, something like that. But this background image, the note title, if it's past due, if it's due that day, or how many days in the future it's going to be due, if someone has a due date on a note, when it was last modified, and who it was last modified by. That's really off the top of my head what I've made recently, all the changes I've made recently. Right now I'm working on creating books. So this was manually made, handmade, like I went into the database and made all this stuff. But I'm making it so that whenever someone goes to here, says okay, upload, clicks upload, that it works. So it mimics the this data model. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm working on right now, and I've kind of commented out all that I wanted to work on right here. Right now I'm at the first one, but gotta start somewhere, I guess. I'm kind of just copy and pasting everything that I took from that I made to upload the image in here, like doing this, but I'm applying it to creating the book. So, and I'm kind of realizing right now that this code right here that I'm copying and pasting probably won't be necessary. I don't know. Maybe it won't be necessary. Oh, wait. It's not right there. It is right here. Because I'm not necessarily... I don't know. I'm kind of up in the air about how I want to use this code. Because, for one, whenever someone does click OK or upload, I want it to basically be background image and then that. But I'm not doing that all right here. In this code, I'm just updating the doc. But in here, the doc isn't even made yet. So I don't know if I should use storage for this. I'm kind of debating right now. It may be a slow moment for me, but I gotta work my way through this a little bit. So, but anyways, you doing all right, man? You doing all right? How's life treating you? Is the new year favorable for you? Honestly, I shouldn't really be here. That's good. Thank you. I shouldn't really be here because I had streamed earlier today, and I forgot that I had streamed earlier today. But I don't know, like the code was just calling my name, pulled me back a little bit, and I'm just kind of in the groove right now, so grooving. So yeah, I'm trying. And what I was contemplating before was like how this looks to other people. Like, I see it as like passable, but I don't know how someone else would view all this stuff. I don't know if it's too cluttered, if it's too basic, if this is ugly. if this is readable. There's so much stuff that I have to like wonder about. I don't know. Been alright so far. Ah, that's cool. That's cool. What are you building with it? Or what do you want to build with it? Truth be told, it may take a little bit of JavaScript, but learning HTML, it wouldn't be too far off from building this. Like, maybe like my perspective is kind of warped, but like HTML, you can pretty much build this. HTML and CSS, you can just build like a not a layout, but like a template. I don't know what the right word for it, but you can basically mimic this. Just get some practice in with HTML and CSS. And then from there, you can learn JavaScript or whatever programming language you're going to learn to add some functionality to it. So it all comes with time. You'll get there. Enjoy the process. Free bootcamp where? Yeah, that's what I was about to guess. Free code camp, because they have so many like so many resources on their channel. Like, I don't know if it's something they just now uploaded, because I thought I saw like a free boot camp, like a 19-hour free boot camp video that they just uploaded recently. I don't know if it's that one, but yeah. Free code camp is awesome. I haven't really explored this certificates and certifications route, but if there's anyone to trust and go by, free code camp is it. Like, yeah. Good choice. Good choice. Is it a tab on the Free Code Camp website, or is it its own independent website? Because I would imagine there would be like CompTIA, AWS stuff. Hey, what's up, Curry Jr.? In the Twitch chat. How you living? How you living? Thanks for clicking on the stream. Oh yeah. Well, I do what I can. I'm not the greatest coder, but I do what I can. How about you? I don't know what something would be. Give me a second. Hold up. You know, variables and stuff? Like, teach me something is such a broad... Oh, okay. So basically what I'm making is... This is called OptiNote. And what OptiNote is basically... I wanted to make my own, like, note-taking app reminders app kind of thing, and I wanted to combine Apple Notes and Apple Reminders because they're good apps. It's just that I wanted to make my own because there's certain things in the apps that may need a little bit of updating. And since I know a little bit about coding, I wanted to have like full control, full reign over like what can be done in the app. So here's OptiNote. So yeah, I've been using it a little bit. So oh no, I don't get into that. Nah, I want to spread good vibes. I don't want to ruin people's days. Do you know how to code? Yes. My Twitch name, I believe, is the same as it's Kenneth B Coding. It's the same on Twitch, yeah. Do you make viruses or not you, Jaja, but Curry, do you make viruses or do you do web stuff? Do you do apps? What do you make? Or are you just coming to learn? Web. Nice. How long you been coding? I will say, Jaja, that like I don't know what's going on YouTube. I know it's on my end, but for some reason the quality on Twitch is a lot better. Well, it's a lot more consistent on Twitch. I'll say that. I don't know why, but I like the YouTube platform more. It's just like I haven't figured out why on my end that the quality sometimes dips on YouTube. But thanks for the follow, Curry. Do you have your portfolio already set up, Curry? Yeah. I don't want to jinx anything, but right now I'm kind of in talks to get some more work. But yeah, I code for other people. I've coded for a few people. I like it. Thank you. Do you have your portfolio set up, or do you have like, are you working on something to build a portfolio up? You can link it if you want to. I'll go ahead and look at it. Where are we at? Hold on. Oh, okay. All good. You can go ahead and maybe if you remember after the stream, or if you want to do it right now, you can join the disc. Wait, let me try to pull mine up. You can join the Discord and drop it in there. Where is mine at? I could pull it up right here. It's been a while since I looked at it, and I may need to update some of the some of like the stuff on here. But I mean, this is it. So yeah, I don't know what exactly to show. I can drop it in chat as well. Oh, I don't. I'm not that. I'm not that. I'm not that deep into the Twitch game. I don't have commands. Why is it doing that? Oh well. I can just. Click which one. Yeah. Yeah. These are like live demos for going to the URLs. All these are live right now. But there's details on like what I did to make them work and the technologies that I used and stuff like that. Pretty simple, may seem pretty outdated, but I don't know. I kind of like it. The brown may be a little bit ugly, but it's mine. It's mine. It's been a while since I've seen this. I may need to update this. But yeah, I can make web apps. VATSIM, is that, if I'm looking at it correctly, is it this? Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I guess that's 3JS. I'm guessing. All this stuff? Yes. This right here? No. I don't. This would take 3JS, and I don't know anything about 3JS right now. Even though I do want to learn it. But I'll be honest, nah. This looks too good for me right now. I might get back into trying to build this out right now, so I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be that difficult to build that this out, and then like the rest of this is kind of just HTML and CSS. It seems like so. Nah, it wouldn't be all that hard to build it. I think I can do it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, it's a aviation network. Looks pretty good. A network in what sense? Like this may have some network of like features, but what do you mean by network? Oh, no. Not right now, no. I don't I don't know how exactly to do like game stuff, but giving access to other people, yes. But like game stuff, no. Unfortunately not. Like I saw that it uses a flight simulator. I don't really know how to tap into that as of right now. I thought my cat was chewing on something. My bad. Myself. But then again, I did go to a community college, junior college, for about 2 years. But as far as like learning the ins and outs of like HTML and CSS and JavaScript, kind of self-taught. Like I had a curriculum and everything, but yeah. Yeah. And the more that I like code and do other projects, the more I realize that like it's important to learn, to know how to learn, so that you can like educate yourself on really anything you want to. But like the more and more that I program, the more and more I just become a self-taught developer. So I make my YouTube. Wait, I make my YouTube. What the heck? I make my YouTube thumbnails in freeform. That's really what I use. Like I don't use like a Adobe Photoshop or anything. I just use simple freeform. It's on Macs. Like it just comes pre-installed on Macs. So that's what I use. It may be a little bit ugly, but I like it. But what's up, bully? What's up? What's up? How you doing? How's it rocking? I'm gonna get back to figuring this out. See. I'm trying to see how I would change this. How I would change the button name. Okay, it'll be in footer. I messed up. What I'm supposed to say? Just yet. And 174. Is that in the? Oh, oops. Oh, oops. Actually, wait a minute. I could just. Should I make it? Maybe I need to go back to this. I could have thought, could have sworn. Wait a minute. Is there one? Let's try it. It's not even showing up. See, like this right here.
I no get time to the form activity. Pull the colors, I define stability like a badge. I'm on the long infinity. What's the chances? What's the probability to see a better version of me with agility? Look, you can't fake reality. Oh, principalities and calamity.
It's kind of testing stuff out. I don't know. Type would be it. Oh no. But, I've been live for a good minute now, so I'm gonna go ahead and log off. So, oh well. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the follows and joining the chat, interacting. Thank y'all so much. So, yeah. I'm gonna head out.